On the first weekend in June, we're all going off to Strength Will Rise at Kethenley. So if you are coming with us, it's going to be awesome. But if you're not, then please remember there are no services here that weekend. That's the 1st to 3rd of June. Here at Excel Church, there will be no services because we're all at Strength Will Rise. If you're new here to Excel Church, then we would love to invite you to our coffee and cakes evening, which is going to be on the 23rd of June at 5:30 p.m. It's just a chance for you to get to know the leaders here at church and find out a bit more about what the vision of Excel is too. So if that's you, if you want to come along to the coffee and cakes evening, then please go and speak to one of our welcome team to sign yourself up, or you can do that on the website too. So that's the 23rd of June is our new person's coffee and cake evening. If you've got any questions about anything that goes on here at Excel Church, or you just want to speak to someone, then why not speak to our welcome team? They are so friendly and helpful and lovely as well. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more Excel news.